welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family. Hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family. I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have some fragrances that have been showing out on my tray that I have been enjoying. And I just wanted to do a mid check-in with you all to let you know what I have been loving down to see. Maybe you'll be interested and maybe not, but I just want to show you all my experience thus far. Okay, in the month of April. It's been great. Moving on. So first up, I feel like I've been wearing this every day. Yeah, I feel like I've been wearing this every day. And that is from the Dua brand. And this is Cotton Candy from Dua. Like, this is their brand. Okay, you all, I went in store and I smelled that milkshake. Juliet Has a Gun milkshake, the new one. Listen, I feel like, yeah, no. I wanted it. Remember I said I wanted a travel size, and oh yes, I want that. I need that. I need the milkshake in my life. My milkshake brings all the boys to, you all remember, like, I said I needed that, and I smelled it in store, and I said I don't need that. Because this, to me, gives me what I wanted the new Juliet Has a Gun milkshake to be. Not to say it's like just terrible, but it is very artificial, very like, it's not grabbing, it's not giving, as my daughter says. It's just not giving. But this, so beautiful, and it's impacting, it's powerful. This is so good, okay? I love this down. I have been wearing this, okay, all day, it gives me milkshake. It gives me what I wanted milkshake to be like. And so, listen, I might need a re-up. I might need a re-up, sis. Listen, look at this. I might need a re-up. This is a good one. This is a gooder. This is a keeper. Okay? If you want a delicious, gourmand, fluffy, candy-like, strawberry-like, maybe even raspberry is in this. I don't know. Like, if you want a fruity and gooey and cream-like. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. If you are a gourmand girly, like the food gourmand girly, you need this, sis. I ain't gonna hold you up. You need this. Take your $35 or $33 and plus tax or whatever. Get this. If it's still available, please help yourself, because I think I need. This is the first time from Dua. I think I need a backup bottle. That is so good, and I have enjoyed every second of it. Okay, moving. Next up, Tuscane from Paris Corner. My peach sweet tea. Yes, and I know y'all are like, sis, why do you want to smell like a peach tea? Because I want to smell like this peach tea. This is a good peach tea. Oh, you all, it's so good. I'm having such a good time on my tray. It is so good, and it lasts, and it's powerful. It's good. I have no other words. Like, do you want to smell like a peach tea? Yeah, girl. I won't smell like all the peach tea. This is Arizona peach tea. This is so good. I hope you have this. If you don't, like, add it to your wish list. This is so good. I love it. Gourmand, like, lovers, please stand up, because you need this. You need this too. And this comparison to this, girl, the bees is chasing you. Okay, because bees is coming. They here. But this is so beautiful and good, and it's so unique. I love it. I love it down. I've been having a ball with it. So much fun. Wearing it to work. Just like playful. And it just like lifts up my spirit too. I love it down. highly suggest. Okay, moving on. Next up, she's not talked about a lot, but this is such a beautiful powdery fragrance. So if you're looking for a beautiful, pretty, maybe even an Easter perfume, or just like a pretty girl powdery fragrance that still gives you woman, okay? Woman in Gold by Killian. In this season, yes, absolutely, totally. This is so good. I mean, this is like the mother of the powdery fragrances that just doesn't lead you to like this diaper powder, right? Or this baby powder. This is luxury powder. This is glamour girl. This is money, okay? Old money. Like, been here, done that. What? How much you say? Girl, bye. Like, it is money. This is so good. Highly recommend. If you don't, and floral and vanilla, if you do not mind something that's just a luxury powdery puff fragrance, you're wanting this. It's so good. And it also gives me this creaminess, like that just blends so well and ribbons so well with this fragrance. It's so good, so delicious and silky and smooth. This is so good. Okay, you need this. Woman in Gold. It makes you feel so feminine, such a woman. Like if you were wearing something, you're like, oh, I don't want to try too much, and I just want to put something that just makes it seem like I took all the time in the world. It's this. It's this. It is so good. Highly recommend you get this for your spring and summer life. Yacht. This is good. You got the money wearing this, okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, it's not on my tray, and you all just heard me talk about this from the Bath and Body, okay? And this is Sweetest Song. Look at this. Every day, almost every day, and I'm wearing a cotton candy, and I'm smelling like a tutu, okay? This gives me definitely prima ballerina, tutu, girly girl body spray. It is so pretty, you all. I can't get enough of this. And this is, again, it's not anything like so unique, but it's so good. And it has like blushing raspberry and maybe it's the whipped musk. It is so good. It is amazing. I've enjoyed it. I love it. This is spring. This makes me happy. This makes me smile every time, every time. Okay, so I would highly recommend you get your nose on this, see if you would vibe. This is definitely a sweet feminine scent. Okay, so if you like a sweet scent, you want this, but if you don't like sweetness, you're not gonna vibe with this. This is definitely a sweet tooth for the sweet girls and women as we are. Hello. Moving on. Well, that's all, family. For some fragrances that have been standing out that are on my tray, I'm having a ball. Girl, this is going to be hard. My top picks for the end of this month, this is going to be hard because I have been having a time with these fragrances. So picking the top 5, whew, it's going to make my brow sweat, okay, this time. It's not going to be as easy as before. I can already tell, okay? But tell me some of your, we are in mid-April. Tell me some of your beautiful picks. What are you wearing? What are you enjoying so far for the month of April? You know I want to know. Comment down below, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below because I also want to meet you, okay? Don't be shy. Comment down below. Let me know what your scent of the day is. Let me know what some of the fragrances that you have been wearing for the month of April, okay? Thank you, fam. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.